Welcome to 736 North 6th Street, Cambridge, Ohio. Situated on a corner lot with nearly 9/10 of an acre, with over 450 feet fronting on 6th Street and Sherman Avenue. A short walk to Cambridge City Park, this lot is lined with stone walkways and a private back patio. This is a one-of-a-kind, stunning English Tudor home built in 1929 by Arthur Bennett, an Englishman, owner and president of the world-famous Cambridge Glass Company. Bennett built the home for his daughter Marjorie and her husband Wilbur Orme. Mr. Orme eventually became Cambridge Glass Company's president. Over 5,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, solarium, full basement with vault and more. This English Tudor has all the architectural elements, including a heavy slated roof, multiple steep gables, multiple fireplaces, and multi-paned leaded glass windows. I invite you to tour this historic all-brick estate home at one of our open houses on Wednesday, June 15th from 5 to 7 p.m., Wednesday, June 29th from 5 to 7 p.m., or Sunday, July 10th from 1 to 3 p.m. The auction is Thursday, July 14th at 7 p.m. Online bidding is available. The minimum bid is an attractive $200,000.